So the calls are getting louder and louder. Fans, ex-players, administrators, the call is for the JFF president, Mike Ricketts, and his executive to resign. But let the Maverick bring some realness to this emotionally charged situation. Mr. Ricketts and Mr. Dalton Wint and the rest of his executive, none of them go and resign anytime soon unless it's FIFA says so. The fact of the matter is that as per the FIFA statutes, Mr. Ricketts and his executive were duly elected and are now the beneficiaries of FIFA's blessings, support, and funding. It is therefore a pipe dream that Mr. Ricketts will resign. I don't think he should have been there in the first place, and he should have resigned long ago. But make we keep it real. This is a World Cup qualifying year in a space still ravaged by the COVID pandemic. We need to do what we're doing in spite of Mike Ricketts and company. The football bigger than them. Let us support our national team as much as possible. Forget about the JFF, corporate Jamaica, local football funds, all stakeholders. Make we rally around the team, rally around the players, support the coach. Because these calls for the resignation of Mr. Ricketts and his executive, talk to them, my boss. I better you tell them. But I can't talk to them.
That will never happen. They will never live to see that happen.